Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to perform emergency restart on your Windows PC like Windows 10 or Windows 11. So when your PC was stuck or some app was freeze, your PC is not working at that time guys, you need to restart your PC laptop emergency. To do this guys, you need to use this shortcut key. Hold control key button, alt key button, and then press delete from your keyboard like this. Okay, now it will show you this type of screen. As you can see guys, now here in the bottom right side corner of your screen you can get the power button. Just press and hold the control key from your keyboard and then click on power button like this. Okay, and now it will ask you to emergency restart. If you want to restart, just click on continue, that's it. Okay, so this is the way to emergency restart your Windows PC. So that's all today guys. Short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.